Hello YouTube. I'm going to admit something. I have a bit of a problem when it comes to bags. You know, this is my current bag. It's a fab bag. I got it off of, I think it was Banggood or somewhere like that. I'm just going to move you so you don't get the glare from my front room window. Okay, it's brilliant. It's a very huge bag, a bit Mary Poppins like. It has a popper pocket there, a zip pocket in the middle and another pocket on the side, and I love it. It's just under there, like so. It holds all of my crap, and I have a lot of crap. So this is going to be a bit like a what's in my bag crossed with showing you my new bag. So I have this. This is a case that my partner's vape kit came in. And this carries all of my charging cables, thing to charge in the car, collapsible plug, cables for my iPhone, my headphones, and then earphone jack in case I can't get to recharge my headphones. I can then plug in the jack and use that instead. So there's that. There's my pen. This pen is absolutely gorgeous. I bought this in Florida. And it's got dragons, and it weighs a ton. This pen's really heavy. Let's see what else. Sweeties, because you know, sweeties. Lady products. You don't need to know about them. Carrier bags. Here in the UK, we have to pay when we go grocery shopping if we want a bag. So I fold them up, and I carry a few of those around in my bag as well. I have this. This is a lady product holder, but it does not have lady products in it. It has, I don't know why, an orthodontal toothbrush, a crochet hook, so if I have any problems and need to do any work on my hair I can, a needle and thread for the same reason, and a nail file. And they sit happily in there, so I can't use them. Face wipes. What else we've got? A bit of deodorant. Hand sanitizer, compact mirror, a torch, more lady products, a pencil, my car key. Yeah, that's good. Oh, and hang on, I think there's a zippy pocket in here. Medication. Okay, so that's quite a lot of junk. So I saw on Instagram a couple of days ago, and this is all her fault and I'm going to blame her, and I'm going to tell her that I'm blaming her. Miranda Plans showed this absolutely stunning backpack. I think it's by UTO or something, and I had a quick hunt on Amazon, and yeah, it's just arrived. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys to see, and I'm going to see if I can fit all of this crap and my A5 traveller's notebook into this little backpack. Doesn't look very big, but she said she can fit it on hers. So let's try it, shall we? So yeah, Miranda Plans on Instagram. This is your fault. You know, because I needed a new bag. You enabler, you. So let's have a look. Ooh, it's all wrapped in web. Plastic bags can be dangerous. Yeah. UTO woman backpack shoulder bag, and it's purple. Because, you know, purple. Right, let's see. Yes, I'm one of those anal people. I can't stand ripping things if I don't actually have to. And bubble wrap comes in bloody handy for other such things, and I've ripped it. Bugger. Never mind. Oh, it looks like an envelope. And it's in yet another bag. This is great. It's like Christmas all wrapped up into one package. Wow, this is like some serious packaging. plastic bag, bubble wrap, box, another bag. Oh, and it's actually a UTO bag. Ooh. Oh, it's lovely. I love the colour. Very eggplant. Oh, that's really nice. Look at that. So, there you go. This is it. So when worn as a backpack, with the straps here, on the part furthest from my back, there's this little pocket. How cool is that? It's a magnetic closer. That's quite a roomy pocket. That is, you know, my hand all the way in, so it goes down to about there on the inside. So that's quite, you know, and I have got long nails, so that's quite a nice roomy pocket. I like that a lot. There is a pocket here on the side. There is a pocket here on this side, and there's, I think they call this a privacy pocket for your phone and your. Oh wow, that's huge too. That is the entire back of the bag. That's brilliant. Oh, I'm in love with this already, and I haven't even filled it up yet. It can be carried by the top handle. It can be used as a shoulder bag, and it's a little shoulder. I don't like great big long bags that. Oh yeah, I'm in love. And then it could be a backpack. Super sexy. I'm really pleased with this. It's got 2 zips for the main compartment. Oh, it's got a divider. There's 2 phone type pockets inside. I don't know how you can see these. There and there. Of course they probably won't fit the larger iPhones like mine, but there you go. That's what the privacy pocket's for. There's a big compartment there, and then you've got like a sort of pocket that's sewn in, so you can use this like a little divider sort of thing. I don't know if you can see that very well. So this is your main compartment. Then you've got this little pocket here with a zip there and a zip on the back there as well. This pocket here goes down to there on the back, so it's not quite full length, but it's almost. So first thing I want to know is, does my traveller's notebook, this is Poppins, if you check in my thing you'll see when I actually got this and unboxed it, how well does this fit in here? So this is going to have to go in the main compartment. Oh, this fits amazingly well with so much room. Wow. Right against the back. Right, that's it laid against the back of the bag. I could fit 2 in here. That's incredible. That's absolutely amazing. I mean, what I didn't pull out of my bag was this traveller's notebook. My pencil case, which carries all the pens that I'm using throughout the day, because I colour code in my traveller's notebook. So there's that, and my purse, but I don't know what I've done with that. I'll put it down somewhere. I think it's in my pocket, in my coat, because I had that yesterday. So yeah, this little bag is really soft. You can tell, look how soft this is. But it has a hard bottom. Not rock hard, it's bendable, but it does have a bottom. This is really nice. I'm going to fill this up and then get this tag off and come back and show you if I managed to get everything in. So yeah, I'm really, really pleased with that. I'll find my purse while I'm at it as well. Okay. So yeah, I've filled it up. I've found my purse. I was actually sitting on it. And yeah, it's. Let me just move my hair so you can see. It's nice. It doesn't feel bulky. It doesn't actually feel too heavy. It feels really, really nice. I didn't have to adjust the straps. This is what they were set at when they came. I think they're slightly off, as the right one is slightly lower, but I'll have a look at that a bit later on. It feels very, very comfortable. It sits just nicely. The base is more or less flat, which I don't get in my softer backpacks. if I wanted to, I could swap over and use that one, although that feels a lot bulkier like that. So I think if I was just going maybe to and from the car, or you know, just a short trip over to the shop or something, I'd probably put it on like this. If I was in an area where there might be like, pardon me, you know, a lot of people, and I'm at risk of having my purse pocketed rather than my pocket, I would wear it like this, because then I can cover it and nobody's going to take anything from it. So how did I get it all in case you're wondering, which you probably aren't, but there you go. I don't think I would carry it by the loop handle on the top when it's full, because it's an awful lot of strain in just that one place. You know, if I was in a hurry, I'd pick it up like that, or even, I suppose even you could carry it like a tote. I know you can't see that, but it's not hitting the floor, and I'm 5'2", so that gives you an idea. It is about 5-6 inches off the floor. I would have to possibly do something about the back straps to stop them dragging, but other than that, yeah, it seems pretty much okay. Yeah, so I could even carry it in my hand like a large tote. So how did I get it all in? I need a table to show you guys. In this front pocket I can't even remember what I put where, see, that's how good I am. My torch and my face wipes are in there. In there is my car key. Of course I won't be able to find that when I need it. My sweeties went in there, I don't have anything in there. My phone will go in the back, but I'm using that to film this. My purse is just dropped in the top, so I don't have to root for it. And then everything else went in there. So the part closest to my back, between the little separator pocket, you've got my little case with all my electronics, you know, my wires and chargers and all that lot. That's my little tampon case that holds everything but tampons. What's that? Oh, that's my deodorant. In the pocket in between, I stuck the carrier bags to act as a bit of like a cushion. In the zip pocket on the back of the actual bag itself, I put my medication, my traveller's notebook and my home cube pencil case are there, and there is still quite a bit of room if I wanted to, or if I wanted to reorganise it, I could quite happily get all that in. My pen and my pencil, I will probably just slot that in somewhere or other, or you know, I'll find a home for it. But there you go. This bag is lovely. It's so soft. I really like it, and I'm really glad that I took the plunge because of Instagram and bought this. Yeah, it's lovely. So there you go. UTA backpack, come shoulder bag. Really pleased with it. Once it settles down, it'll probably look much better. So yeah, fab. Love the colour as well, real eggplant. Thank you so much for watching my review on my new bag and my what's in my purse stroke bag, depending on where you're from. Look through, I suppose you call it. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, please do give me a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe, feel free to leave a comment. I like to chat back and forth. You can find me on Instagram and Twitter under PuddyTatPurr, and yeah, come by and say hi. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye.